Have you ever heard of the two magic money circles? You haven't? At the end of this video, you will have a great understanding how these circles can help you build wealth. And it's not complicated at all. Just two circles. Welcome to the Money Channel, where we take the mystery out of money. If finance gives you the willies, you're in the right place. I'm not here to make you love money. I'm here to make it work for you. If I did it, so can you. Let's get smarter about money and get it working. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. And remember, nobody cares more about your money than you. So,
learn before you earn.
I want to share something with you today called speed budgeting. It literally only takes 5 minutes per month. Not only that, it can actually help you build serious wealth. No complicated systems, just two magic circles. Are you interested? Let's go. Today I want to delve into a hated topic by many, budgeting. Let's be honest, budgeting sucks. Tracking every dollar, spreadsheets, apps, you start out strong and then if you're like me, you quit in 2 weeks. So what if I told you you can manage your money in under 5 minutes per month and actually build wealth? No complicated system, just two magic circles. Are you interested? Let's go. Here is something so simple I can even understand it. You have to make more money than you spend. No duh. But how do you make that happen into reality? Before I show you the magic circles, I need to share with you an ancient Chinese proverb. This is so important to help you understand so many things in your life, including these circles. The proverb translates into English, what gets measured gets done. So, what gets measured gets done. So things that are most important, we track and therefore they tend to get accomplished. Another way to think about it is what gets measured gets your attention. I love basketball, so let's use that example. Let's say a free throw shooter who is not so good and wants to improve, maybe because his girlfriend told him she is totally embarrassed how bad he shoots free throws. Anyways, he starts by knowing where he's at. Let's say 50%. But he wants to get to 80%. So he starts practicing and he keeps track of how many he is making. He is measuring. He's got a goal and he is measuring against it. Do you think he will improve his free throw shooting? I think the bottom line is this. You don't improve what you ignore. So here is how the magic money circle works. Circle 1 is simple. This is your income circle. This is everything you make in a year. Let's say you make $75,000 per year, and we break that apart into little pieces. Income from your job, 80%, your side hustle, and even that super successful garage sale that you had. Circle 2 is your expense circle. This should be fairly easy to assemble. You take your credit card statements, your bank statements, and your other items, and you add them up. If not, you guesstimate. Now let's say you spend $75,000 per year. And then we break it apart into like your house payment, rent, car, food, basically all your expenses, and they add up to $75,000 for the year. Now knowing these two numbers, I can show you how to speed budget. But first I want to take a minute to explore the magic money circles a little bit more. Take a look at them side by side. These circles are equal, $75,000 of income and $75,000 of expenses. We would say that this person is living paycheck to paycheck. Now what you've been waiting for, how to high-speed budget. Hey, we just did it. That was fast. You know how much you make? You know how much you spend? If you're spending more than you make, then go to one of my series, my new series called Money Leaks, as that can help you save money and help yourself get back on track. And by the way, if you like these videos, even if you don't, like and subscribe. Let's go back to the basketball player example, where he was at the point where he knew that he shot 50%. He did the math. Well, you have the two circles figured out. You know your math. And going back to the basketball player again, his goal was to shoot 80%. So you're wondering, how does this help me and how does this really build wealth? Let's take speed budgeting to the next level. Here's a goal that has made many millionaires. Live on 75% of what you make. So you can either find a way to increase your income or you can look for ways to decrease your expenses. The goal is to have a 25% difference between what you make and what you spend. When you follow the 75% rule, you'll start building wealth. And given enough time, well, you know. Hey, here's a news flash. Nobody cares more about your money than you do. So many people say, I wish they would have taught me that in school. But it's not too late. I'm here to help. I hope you got a few things out of this episode. And remember, let's get smarter about money and get it working. Hey, see you next time.